How's it going, guys? It's your boy Frank with another DIY. Today I will be working on this 2001 BMW X5 E53, if I'm not mistaken, where we're about to replace the transmission fluid and the filter, making sure that everything is good as it should. So stay tuned. So right now we are just here under the car, and as you can see, this is your fuel port, and also you have your drain plug right there, which is a it's an E-socket. So I'm going to open it up, drain the fluids, and making sure that we replace the filter also. So to drain, you need a T45. I already cracked loose it, and as you can see, the plug will come out. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at the color of this oil. Oh my, it's so dirty. Wow. Ugh. So disgusting. All right, let's wait until we finish up draining.
Much later.
Managed to remove the sump. What we need to do now is to remove the filter and start doing the cleaning process. So this is how the oil is looking, guys. Oh my, this was supposed to look a little bit reddish, and I never seen an oil so bad like this. Oh man, let's drain it up and see how the magnets are looking. Okay, so just for your reference, guys, look at this. This is how the magnet is looking. So we have a lot of contaminants there. Looks like this transmission never was serviced. Wow. This is the amount of deposits that's coming out.
Many adorable hours later.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is how the sump is looking, and we are able to look at the coating, the zinc coating that it has inside now that it's clean. So I'm going to do the same on the transmission on the car, and I should be ready to start mounting out the things. So this is our brand new filter, as you guys are seeing over here, and this one was pretty much clogged, if you can see, comparing to the new one. Make sure that all the two O-rings come out when you remove the filter on the car. And ta-da! The oil filter is installed. Now let's put back the pan. I got some gasket on the pan, so now it's time to install it back.
3 days later.
So I'm just adding oil, already added 5 liters, and this is the oil that I'm using, and I'm topping up through this funnel. So maybe just to show you, I have just plugged it just right down there and making sure that oil is going in.